Hey everyone, John from My Speaking Score, back with another TOEFL Speaking account teardown. Today's case is all about noisy data, what it is, why it matters, and how it can silently kill your. It's a bit over dramatic. Today we're looking at a user who's range bound at the task level between 2.6-ish and 3.0. Now, their goal is a TOEFL speaking score of 26, which translates into a 3.38 SpeechRater score per task. Right now, as you can see, they're underperforming across the board, slightly stronger on task 1, slightly weaker on task 4. Looking at their most recent scores, there's some evidence of progress here, but we still see the familiar pattern, higher score in task 1 and a kind of a drop off towards task 4. Now, let's open the feedback page. And when you look at this, it can start to feel overwhelming. It's like a rainbow exploded or something. If you have dozens of responses, your scores are jumping around here at the task level, at the dimension level. You're dealing with noisy data. It's kind of hard to know exactly what to focus on so you can move from the 22 up towards the 26. That's the problem with noise. It just hides the signal. So here's what I recommend. Sort by task. For example, filter to just task 1. Then hover over the individual columns to spot trends. Are there recurring weaknesses? Look at the colors. Are certain metrics consistently low? This kind of focused review helps cut through the noise and helps you prioritize what to work on. Another approach is to look for outliers, right? Pop them open. Take a look at high scoring answers and low scoring answers and figure out what caused those particular scores, right? Remember, the ultimate goal is to remove confusion from your prep. So when your scores are scattered all over the place like this, you may feel like you're improving or you may feel like you're not improving, but without a clear trend, it just becomes noise instead of the signal. So focus on one task, one skill, one metric, fix one thing. That's how you move from 2.6 or whatever to 3.4. That's how you get to 26. I hope this helps and happy practicing.